Segunda Via. Ecological intensification of agriculture, experiences from Portugal. This project aims to develop a modern agricultural management model that harmonizes the profitability of agriculture with the protection of ecological habitats. An eco-friendly farm is developed that utilizes the extensive natural capital on its land. The ecosystem services provided are to be analyzed. The model was first implemented in the Tagus Delta region. It aims to be transferable to farms across the country. The project working group includes the farmer of the pilot farm, the Faculty of Natural Sciences of the University of Lisbon, the public organization, EDIA, and the consultancy consuli. Initial tests were carried out to determine which measures could be used to improve the ecological value of the areas. Suitable tree and bush species were identified and seed mixtures were selected. To name just a few of the measures developed: ecological corridors, multifunctional water areas, flower strips, and nesting opportunities were created. A landscape architect's office, the farmer of the pilot farm, and a service company worked together to realize this. The measures were implemented on the pilot farm. As a result, habitats were restored. The success of the measures was monitored during the project. Analyses of flora and fauna showed the impact and effectiveness. With a multidisciplinary approach, can ecosystem services be quantified? But the knowledge also had to be shared. Rural advisors perceived a lack of adequate spaces and events for farmers to discuss new concepts or share problems within the existing infrastructure. To address this, they actively collaborated with other advisors, ecological farming associations, and environmental organizations to organize workshops, field demonstrations, and knowledge-sharing sessions. If we take action together, we can achieve more for biodiversity, and we can show that there is a second way.